Now, first, those of you who don't understand the question, you need to be able to understand what is proportional. Who forgot the proportional thing already? Now, let's quickly recap. So, recap means everything in red color. You want to take out your red pen and you want to write down the summary of it. So, when we say direct proportional, notice, please, if you are still talking at these two period, I don't know what are you doing. So, Junqi, go back to your seat. If you want to explain to him, allow me to explain to him. Give me a chance to talk to him. You want to come here? There's a front seat here. Huh? Can't hear you. What black? The reflection. You want to come in front? There's a table here, please. Then I cannot help you. Now, so can you write down direct proportion? Notice the word direct sometimes did not appear one. So when you see proportion, first thing you write like that. Y equals to kx. Y equals to kx. Again, this is not about this question. This is about the summary that happened in Gen. Okay. Now, the other one is called inverse. Whenever you see inverse proportional, you say that y is equals to k over x. K over x. So when you see inverse, those standing up, I think you are writing down. Again, if not, I don't know what you are doing. Junqi, can you bring your chair and paper here? Share the table with markers so that I can see you now. Now, take note. This part here is not a question. So now look at the question. It says here, the distance is directly proportional to the square. They didn't say directly. So direct, the word sometimes is bracket. Like no, if there's no direct, means it's direct. If it's inverse, they must tell you inverse or they must tell you the word indirect. So you must look out for these two words to decide whether is it y equals to kx or is it y equals to k over x. K over x, y equals to kx. So never say means direct. Now the square of the speed v. So can I give you 5 seconds? You write down what you think it looks like. 5, right, 4, right, 3. That means write down d equals to what? V. D equals to what? V. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, you see, they say D is proportional. Never say direct means direct. If it's indirect, they must say it's inversely proportional. It's indirectly proportional. They must say the word inverse or indirect. So, you can write down D equals to K V square. Why is there a square? Because it is square of its speed. So this is the answer. But this is not the final answer. If you write this, the answer is wrong. So if they say V cube, what do you expect? You say do the cube of the speed. Cube as in C-U-B-E, cube of the speed. Then you know it's V cube. So what must you do after this? Why is this wrong? Because you need to replace. Can you write down? Replace K with a number. Now let's see how to write down the K as a number. K as a number means this. K as a number means I need to sub in this and this numbers inside to calculate K. So what do I do? Zulfa, what is the value of D? 51.2. Very good. So can you write down 51.2 equals to K? Clarence, what is the V? 80, right? The number is there. So 80. So 80 then square. So can you press your calculator? Tell me K equals to what? Yongjie, what is the value of K? Press your calculator. 1,400 wrong. It should be a very small number. 0.008. So 0.008. Is it like that? Right. Then what is my final answer? You must know that you must replace k with a number. Then this is your final answer. Press your calculator. Hello. 51.2 divided by 80 square. Press. Can press? Good. If go through like that, exam still cannot do, I also don't know how to help you already. Okay. Now, done. Then, 2 marks, you got it. Then let's go through to B. They say, find the braking distance when the car is traveling 120. Right? So, Zhe Xuan, 120 refer to D or V? V. Very good. So, you write D equals to 0.08 times 120 squared. What's the answer for A? I highlight for you. The final answer is this. Wow. Yes, sir. Okay, so as you're watching through the video, Joanne pointed out an error which I didn't spot. So can you circle the error here? So take out a highlighter and circle 80 kilometer per hour. This one is in meter. So can you write down? Can you write down in your question? This is a different. It's okay, it's okay. Sorry, Joanne. Sorry, Joanne. Now, it's different unit, but it's okay. Let me explain why. I explain why. Give me a chance. They say D meters is directly proportional to the speed at kilometer per hour. So they tell you the relationship is already different unit. So it's okay. If I change the question, D kilometer is directly proportional to kilometer per hour. Then you have to change this to kilometer. But if they already say meter is proportional to kilometer per hour, you remain as it is. Is that clear? So I hope you are clear. So nothing wrong about this question, but very good that you notice that change. Can I say again? Now, there is a different unit here. This is kilometer. This is meter. So different unit. By right, I must change to the correct same unit. But there's no need to change because the questions here say D meter is proportional to kilometer per hour. So they already acknowledge the difference in unit. So no need to change. So moving forward, I want to still press my calculator and my answer is 15. Whatever. So you press your calculator, you should get the number. Is that okay? Answer is at the back as well. Can I stop the video here? Anyone got question? No, No, I stop.